Today's video is on compound angles. In today's video, I am going to give solutions for the most important three questions. The first question here is if sine alpha is equal to 1 by root 10 and sine beta is equal to 1 by root 5 and alpha comma beta values ranges from 0 to 90 degrees. Then we have to show that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, which is equal to 45 degrees. And then the second question here is if tan alpha is equal to half and tan beta is equal to 1 by 3 and alpha comma beta value ranges between 0 and 90 degrees, then we have to show that alpha plus beta is again 45 degrees or pi by 4. Next one, the most important question. So if a plus b is equal to 45 degrees, pi by 4, then we have to prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 1. So let's get started to solve the problem. See, first question here is if sine alpha is equal to 1 by root 10. In the solution, what is given? Sine alpha value is given as 1 by root 10. So according to our trigonometric equations relations, so this is alpha. So sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is 1 and this value is nothing but the hypotenuse. So we need the value of tan theta. For that we need the adjacent side for this. So this will be A, this is B and this is C. So for BC, so AC square minus AB square. So root over, so BC is nothing but root over AC square minus this one is AB square. So root and square gets cancelled and this will be 10 minus 1. So which is equal to root 9. So the value here is 3. So we got the value as 3. And I need the value of tan alpha. Now tan alpha is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So the value here is 1 by 3. Clear? So we got the value of tan alpha as 1 by 3. And the next one, what is given? So here it is given as tan beta is equal to 1 by root 5. Sorry, sine beta value is given as 1 by, this is root 5. So for this, so this is again the triangle. So this is beta angle. So sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is again A, B, C. So for this adjacent angle, so according to the Pythagoras theorem, this will be AC square minus AB square. That is root 5 square minus 1 square. So root and 5 gets cancelled and this is 5 minus 1. So this will be root 4. The value here is 2. So then what will be the tan beta? So tan beta value is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So the value here is 1 by 2. So we got the value of tan alpha as well as tan beta. So after getting tan alpha and tan beta, I am going to substitute in the formula. Which formula it is? Tan of alpha plus beta. So as it is a compound angle, so which is equal to tan alpha plus this is tan beta by 1 minus the tan alpha into this is tan beta. So we need the value of alpha plus beta. So for that I have chosen tan of alpha plus beta. So we got all the values ready here. So this is tan of alpha plus beta is equal to, what is tan alpha? Tan alpha value is nothing but 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 plus tan beta value is nothing but half by 1 minus tan alpha is 1 by 3 and tan beta is half. So if I take 6 as LCM, so this will be in 3 table 6 2 times, in 2 table 6 3 times by, so again if I take 6 LCM in the denominator, this will be 6 minus 1. So if I cancel this one, this is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5. So the value here is 1. So we got tan of alpha plus beta value as 1. So 1 can be written as, see here, tan of alpha plus beta value we got as 1. In 1 value can be written as tan of alpha plus beta value can be written as tan 45 degrees. So 45 degrees can be written as, so alpha plus beta is equal to tan, this is pi by 4. So if we equate, then alpha plus beta value is equal to pi by 4. So is it not easy? So we got alpha plus beta value as pi by 4. See, this is what it is asked to show, that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. So what is given here? Sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 10. So from this sin alpha, I have calculated tan alpha as 1 by 3. And from sin beta is equal to 1 by root 5. So I got tan beta is equal to 1 by 2. So after that, I need the value of alpha plus beta, and therefore have taken tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. After substituting and cancellation, I got alpha plus beta value as pi by 4. And here, the next equation here is second question. If tan alpha is equal to half and tan beta is equal to 1 by 3. So what is given? So tan alpha value is given as 1 by 2 and tan beta value is given as 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta value we have to show. So for that, tan of alpha plus beta is equal to, this is tan alpha plus the value tan beta by 1 minus, this is tan alpha into tan beta. So if I substitute the values, then this will become, see here, tan of this is alpha plus beta is equal to, what is tan alpha value? This is half. And what is tan beta? This is 1 by 3. By 1 minus 1 by 2 into this value is 1 by 3. So tan of alpha plus beta value is equal to, so if I take 6 as LCM, this will be 3 plus 2. So this is 3 plus 2. Again in the denominator, if I take 6 as LCM, this will be 6 minus 1. So if I cancel this one, this is 5 by 5. The value here is 1. Therefore, I got the value of tan alpha plus beta as 1. So this can be written as tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan of, this is pi by 4. So therefore, alpha plus beta value I got as pi by 4. Alpha plus beta value as pi by 4. So this is what it is asked to show that in the question. So we have to show that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. So in this, tan alpha is given as half and tan beta is again given as 1 by 3. And we use this formula, that is tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta, and we got the value as 1, so which is equal to pi by 4. And the next important question here is the third question. See here, if a plus b is equal to pi by 4, then we have to prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 1. So for this question, so what is required here? So again we have a formula that tan of a plus b. So tan of a plus b value is nothing but tan a plus this value is tan b by 1 minus this value is tan a into this is tan b. So we have a plus b value. What is given from the question? A plus b value as pi by 4. So if I substitute pi by 4, then this will become tan pi by 4 is equal to. So this is tan pi by 4 is equal to, this is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus this is tan A into this is tan B. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to, this value is tan A plus this value is tan B by 1 minus tan A into this is tan B. So if I cross multiply like this, then what will happen? So then 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to, this is tan A plus this value is tan B. So if I send this negative to other side, then see what happens. Then tan A plus this is tan B plus this is tan A into tan B is equal to 1. Clear? So if I add 1 on both sides, so add 1 on both sides. So if I add 1 on both sides, then See here, this will be tan A plus tan B plus this is tan A into this is tan B is equal to 1. So if I add 1, so this will be 1 plus this will be 1, adding 1 on both sides. So if I take 1 plus tan A common, so this is 1 plus tan A, and if I take tan B common, so this will be 1 plus tan A is equal to 1 plus 1, the value here is 2. So from these 1 plus tan A, if I take common, if I take out, then this will be 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. The value here is 2. Therefore, we got the value of 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B value as 2. So this is what it is asked to show that. So 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. So thank you so much for watching, and here it's a mistake that I have to keep 2 here. So the value here is 2, and therefore first of all what is given, A plus B is equal to pi by 4 is given. And so in this question also, so the first question here, so this is 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. So we have to put this value is 2 after calculation. So this is tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So after substituting A plus B as pi by 4, tan 45 degrees is nothing but 1. If I cross multiply and have sent this negative term to other side, it will become positive, and adding 1 on both sides. After adding 1 on both sides, the final answer is 1. 2. Therefore, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Therefore, this is how we have to solve. Thank you so much for watching. Please consistently practice. Definitely you can score more, and these videos will be very helpful for your preparation. Please check these videos on the playlist and pass it on to your friends. Thank you so much.